Welcome to Conversations on the Heart. Today I want to talk to you about something that silently destroys even the strongest relationships: self-sabotage. Without realizing it, we sometimes become the very obstacle standing in the way of our own happiness. Fear, insecurities, past wounds creeping, affecting or shaping the way we think, react, and connect with our partners. And before we know it, we are unknowingly damaging the very thing that we cherish most. Maybe it's pulling away when things feel too good. Or perhaps it's doubting your partner's commitment or love, even though you were giving no reason to. Sometimes it's picking up fights or becoming overcritical or shutting down instead of expressing what is really in your mind. You see, my friends, sabotage doesn't always look obvious. Often it disguises itself as self-protection, but in reality, it's just fear taking control of the wheel. My partner once had a beautiful analogy that encapsulates this week's message. He said, imagine that you have only one car to take you to your dream destination. Will you slash the tires or damage the engine of the only car that you rely on? Of course not. You are probably going to make sure that it's in great condition to carry you where you need to go. Well, relationships aren't no different. They are that vehicle that carries us to that future that we want to build with our partner. When fear takes control, we end up puncturing the tires. We end up hurting, neglecting, or withdrawing from the relationship. Just like a car needs maintenance, oil change, tire rotation, and fuel, so do relationships. They need care, communication, and intention. So I want you to ask yourself, are you taking care of your relationship, or are you unknowingly sabotaging it with fear-based behaviors? And if the answer is yes, the good news is that this cycle can be broken, and it all starts with self-awareness. The stories we tell ourselves shape our actions, and if we let fear write those stories, we end up acting in ways that push love away. So instead of assuming and withdrawing or reacting in fear, talk to your partner. Talk to them about your insecurities, your worries, and your needs, because here's the truth. Anything that you don't talk about, you will act out, and anything that you suppress in silence will eventually surface, and it will show up in your behaviors, in your attitudes, and eventually in your distancing. So my message to you is to stay vigilant and make a commitment to stop the sabotage and take care of that relationship that is carrying you towards that beautiful future. Thank you for joining me today, and remember that your relationship is worth the effort. Take care of it, and it'll take care of you.